I'm just going into my back room to grab my decorating for fall supplies. So why don't you join me? I'm gonna show you how I decorate for fall today. Let's see what we got. All right, so this is our back room. It's all organized. Like you can see, Valentine's Day and Easter hot tub items. It's not fancy, but it works for us. So I have 2 bins, one for Halloween and one for pumpkins decor. So I'm gonna dig into those. So I got these 2 bins out. This is like more like fall decor, and then this is more Halloween stuff. Whenever I get out my bins, I always sort through them for things that I no longer need, because what happens is we're like, well, maybe I'll use that next year. And then next year turns into like 10 years. And that's how we end up with so much extra clutter. So I always am like, if I'm not going to use it this year, I'm going to get rid of it. So let me sort. All right, so I have some things to donate. I have some things to toss. I have my Halloween bucket put back together with books and some other things. I'll show you that in a minute. And then I have my fall stuff I'm going to take upstairs and start decorating with. So this is my Halloween bucket. So it's completely full, but it's all things, either adult costumes, a few things I use to decorate for our spooky dinner. I'll pull these out in October along with our Halloween books to enjoy then. I have my fall books out right now. So I'm gonna start on my family room. And basically what I do for fall decor is just add a few simple touches, but it's always in replacement of and not in addition to, so it doesn't get cluttery. So for example, I'm gonna put this pumpkin where this little wooden ball is. So again, we're just replacing something already there. So we're not adding more visual interest, we're just adding a simple touch. Okay, let's talk about vignettes here. So I like to do things in groups of 3 or odd numbers. And then I like to also use some visual height. So books with the spines are great in this similar color palette. So I picked these up at Goodwill a couple of years ago. I think actually this is a family Bible. And then that kind of gives the plant some height. I also like to do things with like some greenery along with maybe a print. And then also, like in this case, I'm gonna add this pumpkin. Just kidding, I'm not sure I like that. So let me try a few different variations. Sometimes you have to see something before you can decide if that's the right fit. So I ended up with the pumpkin, and then I found an alternate location for the mums, but it took a few times as well. Now that we're finished in the kitchen, let's go back to the family room. I got these topiaries for my mom for my birthday, so I put them up on the mantle. I love a good symmetrical mantle. And then I added our fall books from our fall bin. I love doing seasonal books. They become new. Okay, it's time for our coffee table. I threw on a faux fur little rug, added in a rattan basket, some greenery, some books. I always take the covers off the books. Look how pretty that white cover is. And a little pumpkin and a candle for a beautiful fall cozy effect. So simple. This method works great for all coffee tables. We are all done fall decorating. I love the simple touches, but it isn't over cluttered, but it gives that cozy vibe that I was after. And now I take all of the donations off to the donation center for somebody else to enjoy. Thanks for joining me for fall decorating.